morning, pupils.
Good morning, teacher.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you, and you?
I'm very glad to see you. Take your seats. Today we have an unusual lesson. So, let's greet each other, especially today. Now I'll give you this kind of clocks, and in every number you must write the names of your classmates, okay? So, write the names of your classmates. Yes, the names of your group mates, classmates. So, if you have finished, stand up, please. Now I'll say the numbers, and you'll greet what I say, yes? So, at 3 o'clock, shake your hands with your classmates that you write. Shake your hands. Shake your hands. Be quick, please, shake your hands. Shake your hands. So, shake your hands, Mirvirt, Milana. Shake your hands. At 6 o'clock, hug each other. Hug each other. Hug each other. So, hug each other. At 9 o'clock, touch your shoulders. Touch your shoulders. Touch your shoulders. At 11 o'clock, smile to each other. Smile, smile. Okay. Okay. Now you have got blue and red clocks, yes? Now you must divide into 2 groups. So, red clocks here and the blue clocks are there. So, pupils, do you know the theme of our lesson? Do you know or not? You don't know, yes? Now I'm going to look at this through the binocular, and I'll give you, and you look it too. Look it. And give to Janur. Look it. Yes. Do you say anything? Nursulu, do you say anything?
I say read something.
Okay. Give to Mirvirt. Okay. Give to Milana. Rasmina, do you say anything?
Yes.
Maybe
I know what is this.
I'll say it. Give to Kwandak. Yerke. Look through the binocular. Okay. Now, you look at this through the binocular, yes?
Yes.
So, what did you see? Yes, Rasmina?
I see telephone booth, red telephone booth.
Red telephone box, yes? Okay.
Maybe it's red double-decker.
Double-decker bus, okay. And Mirvirt, what did you see?
I see.
I saw.
I saw double-decker buses too.
Okay. So, how do you think? What is the theme of our lesson today?
About maybe builds.
London.
Yes,
About London. About what?
traveling builds.
Buildings.
Yes.
Okay. And traveling.
Yes.
And what else? Trip. And what else? Journey. Okay. Voyage. What? Tours. Okay. So, any other variants? No? Okay. About your town?
No, go on tower.
Going tower. Okay. Okay. Now, I'll show you this. How do you think? What is the theme of our lesson? Transports. Yes. What do you see? And? What is it? The tube, yes? Okay. So, today's our theme is
About
transport. Transport in London, yes, okay. So we are going to talk about getting around the London, yes? Look at the screen, getting around the London. So, look at this meaning of this word, travel. What does it mean, travel? Не істеу travel? Саяхаттау, yes? Okay. So, travel means that is a movement of people between distant of geographical locations. Travel can be done by foot, by car, and by what? By bus and by airplane, and what else? By train and by underground, okay. And what else? By what? By bike, by helicopter. And what can we say? Will we say by foot or on foot? No. If we use transport, we say by bus, by car, by train, yes? But on foot. Okay. So, the next. So, can you name examples? Can you give examples to me? Traveling? Yes?
Travel. I like travel a lot because travel even be very interesting, and I can even to every country.
Okay. So, the next word is trip. What does it mean, trip? In Kazakh. Trip. Yes, саяхаттау, yeah? So, trip is something like you often travel to a place and come back the same day. Yes? So, it's a short time traveling, yes? We name it trip. So, can you name example? Can you give examples about trip? Yes, Yerke?
We had a fantastic to the Alps, but it was cold.
Okay. Is she right?
Yes.
Okay. The next, voyage. Voyage is a very long journey to a distant or unknown place. If you don't know the place, yes, and especially over water or through the space. Especially when we travel by ship, by boat, yes? So, can you give examples? Okay. Nursulu?
The voyage, the pirates went the long voyage for looking the treasure.
Okay, voyages, okay. So, the next is a cruise. Refers to a tour. When you have a holiday, you plan something, yes? You plan to travel somewhere, and it's typical as a holiday. So, can you give examples to the cruise? Okay, Janur?
We took a luxury cruise to the Caribbean. It was empty.
Okay. So, next is a tour. So, tour describes traveling from one place to another between the period of days. And it's just like visiting various towns, cities. It may be by bike, yes? Okay. Can you give examples? Okay, Sayat.
We had a tour to Italy. We visited Milan in Rome. It was great.
Okay. Right. So, now we know the words travel, trip, yes, tour, cruise, and voyage. Now, look at this suitcase. We want to go to travel to the London today. And there are sticks here, and you have two there. So, how do you think? What do you need to travel? What do we need to travel? So, right here, use these pens. Use these pens, please. Right here. What do we need to travel? For example, maybe passport. Yes? And what? Phone. And what? Clothes. And do we need money?
Yes.
Yes. What about visa? Do we need it?
We need the money card, yes.
Okay. Okay, Rasmina.
If I go to travel, I take with me phone and church.
Okay, excellent. Milana. Money. So you need money. Okay. Okay. You may, girls. Nursulu. Mirvet, come in. What do you need?
If I'm traveling to another city, maybe I take toothpaste and toothbrush.
Okay.
Clothes.
Okay, you need clothes.
If I go on tour, I take with me money, phone, and passport.
Okay. Uh-huh. Anybody else? Yerke, what do you need? Phone, okay. Yes. Amina, you may. So, what do you need? Documents, yes. Passport, visas, yes. That's enough. So, we packed our suitcase. Now we are ready to travel to London, yes? Now, look at this. You said it. What is it?
Cap.
Cap.
Tower bridge. Yes, tower.
What about this?
Or underground.
And?
Red double like a bus.
Okay. We use underground. Over 3 million people a day use this underground or tube. Another name of this transport is a subway, yes? What is a double-decker?
A double-decker bus is a bus that have 2 floors or deckers.
Okay, right. So, what can you say about black cab? Is it a simple car or is it a taxi? What is it? Is it a taxi? Yes, Nuslu?
This is a London taxi. London is popular of these black cabs and their drivers.
Okay, right. Now, answer my question. How do you think? Why do people travel? Yes, Rasmina?
Travel allows a person to develop, see the world, open horizons, and inspire.
Okay. Have you got another answers? Why do people travel? Yes.
They travel to explore the more and to learn something new.
Okay, something new, yes. And do you have yes, Nursulu?
I think people want to travel because they want to relaxing. They are tired of their works and they go to another towns.
Okay. So, answer my question. What do you know about London? What is London? Yes. Yes. Edward?
London is the biggest city.
It's the biggest city, yes. Okay. And yes, Rasmina?
London is one of the global cities in the world.
Okay. Okay. You?
London is the capital of England and the United Kingdom. The history of this modern town goes back to time of Romans.
Okay. And do you have another answers? Okay. Now, look at these pictures. So, what is it?
Tower Bridge.
Tower Bridge. So, what can you say about it? What is the Tower Bridge? Yes, Sayat?
Tower Bridge is one of 5 bridges in London. Tower Bridge was built in 1884.
Okay.
Phone box is often seen as a bridge culture icon cut phone. This telephone box created in 1920. The first.
Okay. What is the next? Do you know this building? What is it? Yes. Tower of London. Yes. Okay. It was a zoo. Yes. And now it's like a museum. Okay. So the next. Do you know about afternoon tea? It's similar to Kazakh. We have afternoon tea too. Yes. Okay. Amina.
This tradition of London gives you an answer.
Yes, okay. This is the tradition of London, yes? Okay. The next, do you see the people? Are they real? What is it? Yes, Madame Tussauds Works Museum, yes? Okay. So, who wants to say? Ranur, you're welcome. Take this.
Madame Tussauds is the most popular and talked about wax museum in the world.
What is it? You know it. London Eye.
This is London Eye. It's Ferris wheel in London, located on the Lambeth area on the south bank of Thames.
Okay. So, what is it? You know it. Double-decker bus. Yes. Who wants to answer this? Yes, Mirvet?
A double-decker bus is a bus that have 2 floors or decks. The double-decker buses widely used as urban transport in the UK.
Okay. Sit down, please. Now, we knew about London, about their sightseeings. Now, look at the screen. You will watch a video. Open your books on page 74. So, watch it, please.
Taxis in London are a popular icon. They're called cabs.
Okay. So, what is the text about? Yes, Basmina?
The London is the biggest cities in the world, but it's very to get around. This transport will help us. Bus, the tube, car, cycle.
Okay. And who wants to answer? Nursulu?
Yes, you may.
Every day, over 4.5 million people transporting across the London by this transport. Underground first. It's not always very comfortable, but it's certainly fast and efficient. The second is bus. Buses are frequent and easy to use. And the third is taxi cabs. Taxi cabs are faster and very comfortable. London is popular of these black cabs and their drivers.
So, now I'll read the questions and you must raise your smiles, okay? To answer the questions. So, what is the best form of transport for these people? I want to use public transport. I am not in a hurry. So, what is it? How do you think? Yes, what is it?
It's bus.
Bus, yes? Do you agree?
Yes.
Okay, the next one. So, I need to get across London as fast as possible. Yes. Any other? Sayed? What is it? Is it underground too? Yes? Okay. Okay, right. So, the third, I want to travel in an environmentally friendly way. You are a green person. Yes, Nursulu? Yes. Yes. So, you don't harm the nature. You are the friend of environment. Okay.
I think the cycle.
Yes, cycling by bike. Yes. Okay. The fourth, I'm traveling with my grandmother and we need the simplest, most comfortable option. Yes. What is it?
It's black cars.
Yes, it's a taxi. Cars. Yes. Okay.
Because it's always comfortable.
Okay. That's enough.